Crack-a-lackin' TJ Unbox. Welcome back to a brand new video, and I just got this in the mail, and this is the new Apple MagSafe charger. So if you were not aware, the new iPhone 12s have come out with a feature called MagSafe, which is a new version of wireless charging that makes charging so much faster through wireless. And it's really cool because it uses magnets and clicks onto your phone. But this can't actually work with older generation phones because it's using a Qi wireless standard. But enough talking about it, I want to open it. I'm really excited, but I'm also kind of annoyed with it. And I'll explain why I'm annoyed with Apple and why this also kind of sucks. But let's get into it. So I'm getting this early before my phone. I ordered this the same day, but the phone's still on pre-order. That's pretty sick. It's like, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, it's kind of cool. I'm gonna say that. But I think one of the biggest problems with Apple right now is the fact that they're using USB-C for their other end of the charger. They're still using their lightning port on their phone, but the USB-C on the other end, which sucks because a lot of people like me don't just have those USB charging bricks everywhere. And that's one of Apple's biggest things that they're pushing this year with the new iPhone. They're not including a power brick this year, and they're making you have to buy your own. And the thing is, most of the people don't have these USB-C bricks. They usually have that standard USB-A, which most phones have. So since they're switching this up, people have to buy more. For example, I had to pick this one up from Amazon, and when I bought this, I had to pay for it, and they also had to ship it and transport it just as much as they'd have to do with the iPhone if it came with one, which kind of sucks. And the iPhone's the same price, which is just weird. But wow, this feels nice. I've had wireless charging in the past, and those things are definitely not as high quality. It looks like this side is aluminum, and then the other face side is maybe a plastic or a rubber actually. Feels more like a rubber, so it's kind of soft and I think you can probably scratch it. And then there's aluminum ring around it. And this is the side that will connect to the phone, and there's magnets all around here and it would click on. But unfortunately, again, I don't have that phone. I do have my iPhone X, and I have to plug the cable into a USB brick like this and it would work. But I do have my MacBook, and it has the USB thing, so I don't have to plug it in. But I am going to try the charging with the wireless. So it is going to be using the Qi wireless standard, so it's not going to be as fast as with the actual magnets for MagSafe. And I think if I just put it on, it should work. Oh, yep, okay, it's working. As you can see, my phone is currently charging. But yeah, once it actually is using the MagSafe, it creates a little animation on the phone that they advertised, and I think that's so awesome. But yeah, the faster speeds. And it is a rubber on this side, so it's able to kind of grip your phone. So even though there aren't magnets in here, it's kind of adding that traction, and it's not just slipping off right away, which is pretty cool. Wow, the design is nice. It's just a uniform cable, but the cable's not that long. What is this, like 3 feet? I don't know if it says, but it is kind of short for what you're getting, but it does feel nice. So it's going to be exciting to try this once I get my iPhone 12 Pro. So make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and look forward to the next video when I actually get it and I unbox it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.